Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumanth Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I have brought some short answer questions for the lesson 6 Women's Education 12th class English Prose UP Board. These questions are to be answered not in more than 30 words. So let's begin with the question 1. What are the opportunities available to women in our times? This question had been asked in the year 2013 and 15. Its answer: in our times, there are opportunities for women in social work, public life, and administration. Question 2. What kind of women does the society need? This question was asked in 2017 and 18. Or, what qualities should the women have according to the present needs of the society? Dear guys, answer to these questions: society needs disciplined women of controlled behavior. Question 3. What is the real situation regarding women's education in India? Its answer: in reality, women's education in India is not widespread. Question 4. What kind of education does the author recommend and why? Its answer: the author recommends an education with a definite purpose because education without purpose leads towards mistaken deeds resulting in grief. Question 5. Point out the difference between the cultured and uncultured mind so far as attitude towards the life is concerned. Dear guys, its answer: a cultured mind is dedicated to a single purpose, while uncultured mind is scattered in many directions. Question 6. Which particular quality distinguishes men from women? This question was asked in 2009 and 17. Its answer: compassion or feeling of pity distinguishes men from women. Question 7. What qualities are necessary for the development of human beings? Its answer: kindness, considerateness, and compassion are the necessary qualities for the development of human beings. Question 8. What are the two important products of the tree of life, and what is their effect on human beings? Its answer: the two important products of the tree of life are the study of our ancient literature and communion with great wisdom. These two things mold men's mind and heart. Question 9. What are the three important qualities of a valuable life? This question was asked in 2018. Or, what constitutes the essence of good life? Its answer: the three important qualities of a valuable life are dam, means self-control. Dan means charity. And Daya means compassion. Question 8. What aims do people have in view generally when they talk about education? Its answer. Generally, the people have two aims of education in their view. First, to give the students knowledge of the world in which they live through science, history, and geography. Second, to give them technical skill to earn their livelihood. Question 11. State the chief purpose of education. The chief purpose of education is not merely to gain skill or to know more and more about the world, but the chief purpose of education is the initiation into a higher life, initiation into the world which transcends the world of space and time. Question 12. What were the things women entitled to do in ancient India? This question was asked in 2018. Its answer. In ancient India, women were entitled to study Vedas and to the chanting of Gayatri Mantra. Question 13. What is one of the signs of the decline of our civilization? Its answer. Subjection of women is one of the signs of decline of our civilization. Question 14. Through whose effort has a change been brought about in the condition of women after independence? Its answer. Through the efforts of Mahatma Gandhi, a change has been brought about in the condition of women after the independence. Question 15. Briefly describe the importance of the study of classics in shaping the personality of men and women in society. Its answer. When we study our classics, we come in close contact of the different characters and minds. There we find many examples which fills us with the feeling of considerateness, kindness, and compassion, which shape the personality of men and women in our society. Question 16. Why is education of women essential for a nation? Its answer. The progress of the nation depends upon its women also. So the education of women is essential so that they may be broad-minded and well-disciplined. Question 17. What was the great teaching that Lakshman's mother gave him when he was going to the forest? This question was asked in 2011 and 18. Its answer. When Lakshman was going to the forest, his mother taught him, look upon Ram as your father, look upon Sita as myself, and look upon the forest as Ajodhya. Question 18. What causes the decline of womanhood? See this question once more. What causes the decline of womanhood according to Dr. S. Radhakrishnan? This question was asked in 2013 and 15. According to Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the subjection of women causes the decline of womanhood, and the decline in compassion causes the decline of womanhood. Dear guys, hope you must have enjoyed this video lecture. Watch this video again and again from top to toe. Thanks for watching. Bye.